Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Arina Kistina. Today we are going to present about add new friends using ARRAYLIST. This is our group members. Me myself, Nur Arina Kistina, my friends, Nur Miza Afika, Nur Afika. So the introduction will be about social media. What is a social media? Social media is a term that refers to websites and applications that allow users to create online communities, share information, ideas, and other content. Social media has become an integral part of modern society, revolutionizing the way people connect, communicate, and share information globally. Example of social media are Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok that use the same concept which receive notification, send message, add new friends, like post and comment on post. They use stack, queue, linked list, and array list as their data structure. What the application does and how it works. The first one is send message. This feature uses stack as data structure. User can send private messages to selected individual or group of friends. Explore feed. This feature uses queue as data structure. User can discover latest content from their friend's page. Add friends. This feature uses array list as data structure. User can add new friends by sending friend request. Post update. User can post various types of new content and share it with other users. Comment on post. This feature uses linked list as a data structure. User can leave a comment on post shared by their friends. Stack. Receive notification. A stack is a data structure that stores data in last in, first out, LIFO principle, meaning the last item added to the stack is the first one to be removed. It has two primary operations. New message arrives, push. The notification is pushed onto the stack, like adding a new plate on top. As you can see from the picture above, on the right side, there is empty stack, pushed, 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 and popped. The push is receiving new notification. Second one is viewed message. Pop. Notification is popped out of the stack like removing the topmost of the plate. As you can see from the right picture, the pop is when you view the notification and it is been removed. Real example, Instagram notification. Instagram likely used a stack data structure to manage notifications for new message. When a user receives a new message, it is pushed onto their notification stack, and when the user views the message, it pops off the stack. Benefit of stack for notification is newest message first, meaning you always see the latest notification first, just like seeing the top of the flake of the stack. Second is efficient handling. Stack Stacks allows Instagram to manage a large number of notifications quickly. Stacks can keep notification organized, ensuring you see the most recent notification on the top, whilst the older notification at the bottom and easily dismiss them once viewed. Queue for news feed updates. A queue is a data structure that operates on a first in, first out, FIFO principle. Imagine it like queuing in line at the store. The person who joins the lane first, called first in, and will be the first one to be served. It is called first out. It has two primary operations, enqueue or add. This operation adds a new item to the back of the queue. Second is dequeue or removed. This operation removes the item from the front of the queue. Real-world example is Facebook feed. Facebook news feed might consider various factors a basic queue concept applies. New posts from people you followed are added to the back of your feed queue. As you scroll, posts are displayed from the front. Others one are removed to make space for newer content. Array list for user-friendly list or list of friends. TikTok stores friend lists using an array list data structure for each user. Array lists provide fast access to specific friends based on index, enabling quick retrieval and modification of friends' connection. Array list is a good data structure because of the dynamic resizing. An array list can automatically grow or shrink size as you add or remove friends. This is because it doesn't have a fixed size like a traditional array. This makes it ideal for situations where you don't know beforehand how many friends you will have. Second is efficient insertion. Adding new friends to the end of the list, a common scenario, is a very fast operation in ARRAYLIST. This is because ARRAYLIST only needs to update its internal pointers to accommodate the new element. Thirdly is random access. You can access any friend's information directly using their index in the list. This allows you to quickly retrieve information about a specific friend without irritating yourself through the entire list of friends. Last but not least is Java Collection Framework integration. ARRAYLIST is the part of the Java Collection Framework which provides a wide range of methods for working with collections like searching, sorting, and filtering. This can be helpful for tasks like finding a specific friend or organizing your friend list in a particular way. While other structure like linked lists can also be used, but ARRAYLIST generally offers a good balance of efficiency and functionality for managing a list of friends.
Next, number 3, algorithm. The operation that we have choose is add friend. How it works? First, input new friend's username. This happens in the friend method of the Facebook user class, where the method takes a Facebook user object representing the new friend as a parameter. Second, check if the new friend is already in the friends list. This check is performed inside the friend method using the contains method of the ARRAYLIST class to see if the friends list already contains the new friend. Third, if yes, display an error message. If the new friend is already in the friends list, the method prints an error message indicating that the user cannot be added again. Number 4, if no, add the new friend to the friends list. If the new friend is not already in the friends list, it is added to the list using the add method of the ARRAYLIST class. For the calculation, to calculate the time complexity of adding new friends, we need to consider the worst case scenario, where the new friend is not present in the list and it needs to iterate through all the elements in the list. Next, we see the code of the add friend. In the if else operation, there is a method called contains method of ARRAYLIST where it iterates through the list to check for the new friend. Since the if else condition have constant time complexity of O1, they do not significantly affect the overall time complexity. Thus, we only consider the dominant factor, which is the ARRAYLIST that has time complexity of On. To summarize, the overall time complexity for the operation of adding new friends is On, where n is the number of friends in the list. Next is the conclusion on findings. To conclude, the algorithm for adding a friend has a linear time complexity, which is acceptable for moderate-sized friend lists. However, for large friend lists, optimization techniques may be needed.
Let's take a look at the coding example. This coding is for adding friends users in Facebook application. So we can see here public class is the Facebook user and it extends user account into type of Facebook user. Let's take a short look for the operations of this coding. Here we have Facebook user string, and we have void set password hints, we have void friend Facebook user, we have void different Facebook user, we have ARRAYLIST Facebook user get friend, and then we have void get password help. Next one is integer compared to Facebook user. Last one is string to string. Okay, next, let's take a look at the collection class interface and operations. For collection class, it is ARRAYLIST class and it is used to add friends in the Facebook user class. And then for interface, it is comparable Facebook user and it is used to implement the compare to method for comparing Facebook user objects. For operations, the first one we have here, it is constructor Facebook user string. The parameters here is username and password. It initializes a Facebook user object with the given username and password. The second one is void set password hint. The parameters is password hint. It is to set the password hint for the Facebook user, and this method can allow the user to provide a hint for the password in case they forget it. Next one is void friend Facebook user. The parameter is new friend. It adds a new friend to user's friend list if not already added. This method checks if the provided user is already in the friend list and adds them if not, preventing duplicate entries. The fourth one is void different. The parameter is former friend Facebook user. It removes a friend from user's friend list. If the specified user is found on the friend list, they are removed from it. Otherwise, a message is displayed indicating that the user is not found in the friend list. The next one is ARRAYLIST Facebook user get friends. It returns a sorted copy of the user's friend list, and this method creates a copy of the original friend list and sorts it alphabetically based on the username of the friend. It ensures that the original list remains unchanged. Next one is void get password help. It prints the password hint for the user. It provides assistance to the user in recalling their password if they have a hint of it. Second one is integer compared to Facebook user. Always return 0 and compares this Facebook user object with another Facebook user object. This method implemented from the comparable interface but does not provide meaningful comparison logic. It currently returns 0 for all comparisons. And the last one is string to string. It returns a string representation of the user's friends list. And this method converts the array list of friends into a string representation, providing a readable format for displaying the user's friends. Okay, for the conclusion, social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and etc. application employs the ARRAYLIST class to manage user data efficiently. By utilizing ARRAYLIST, the application benefits from dynamic resizing and string class, enhancing its performance. The list interface facilitates essential operations like user registration, friend addition, content posting, and message sending. This code snippet illustrates the fundamental functionalities of adding users and friends within the Facebook application framework. That's it for our presentation, and thank you.